If you missed the 2026 Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival, you might be wondering what it was like. Was it just a gathering of Bigfoot believers, or was it something much bigger? So this year I spent the weekend talking with visitors, vendors, researchers, and locals to find out what makes this small town festival one of the most unique events in the Pacific Northwest.
I'm Lene Shio. I am the Director of Artscape at the Cutter Theater. We have a booth with a free kids craft area. I think the festival's been going great. We've been having a really good time with people painting rocks, making mini Bigfoots, and doing color pages. And we have an awesome art contest going on. So there's some great prizes up for grabs for the winners. And I'm blessed to be a part of Bigfoot and think it's been a wonderful festival.
Over the next few minutes, you're going to see what happened and hear what people thought of the event and discover why thousands of people continue to travel to the edge of Washington's wilderness every year in search of adventure, community, and maybe even a little Bigfoot mystery.
So I think it was just really perfect. I loved it. People seem to have been happy.
Everyone was really nice. The vendors, everyone helped each other out and was so friendly, and thought it was really well organized. Probably the best organized we've had so far, and we've been here every year at the festival since it started.
Yeah.
So it was fun. Yeah, the crowd was good.
The first thing that surprised me was how much was happening before most people had even finished breakfast.
I looked at it.
Hi!
Hey.
How you doing?
Still good.
It's always fun janging everybody in.
But it's still level back there.
In my opinion, this is the most important vendor here that all the other vendors depend upon, especially 5 and 6 o'clock in the morning.
It's coming together. Everybody's excited. They're happy to be here, and we're happy to help support the Bigfoot Festival. So.
Everybody's getting ready. Good morning. The town, the volunteers, the vendors, the researchers all come together. There's a lot of work that goes into putting on a festival and being in a festival like this. Saturday morning began with the Bigfoot 5K run.
3, 2, 1.
Participants of all ages raced through town while spectators were cheering them on. When the race was finished, awards were handed out.
4 seconds.
But the race was only the beginning. As vendors opened up their booths and researchers prepared their displays, visitors began pouring into town. And the festival officially kicked into high gear. And that raised another question. What was everyone coming to see? For many visitors, the answer was obvious: Bigfoot. Are you Bigfoot Betty?
I am.
All right.
So, yeah,
Let's do it.
and that's what this cost.
Throughout the day, people gathered in Sasquatch Village to meet researchers who spend countless hours in the field searching for evidence. Visitors could talk directly with researchers, examine casts and photographs, hear expedition stories, and ask questions face to face.
Put on my pajamas, and I hear a twig snap.
Some of the most recognizable names in the Bigfoot community were there, including Dr. J. Robert Alley, Wayne Stapleton, the Squatch Docs David Fuller and Curtis Miller, Angelique Benham, Bill Bisson, and others.
We got a kids thing to do if
I
you're
probably
interested.
like the road. Anything I can answer for you?
If you ever go up to Alaska, and we're doing a documentary on research there, it's important to note that there's a lot of face-to-face interaction.
I'm Curtis Miller.
And I'm David Fuller.
And we are the Squatch Docs. We're both physicians, and we sort of got into this about 4 years ago, and been on 6 or 7 expeditions, and we're hooked now.
So that one we...
Time of day?
It was about 10 o'clock at night.
Sullivan Lake area.
No, that's just right over here.
Yeah. The night before, someone in the tent got touched.
So far the festival has been great. This is my first year being here. It's been fantastic. I've been really happy. I've met a lot of great people and made some good connections too.
Because of me being here, I don't know which way they came in, or if they did. They had to.
The cloaker, the predator effect. You see the fuzziness?
Yeah.
Okay. You look up barbecue.
Even familiar faces like Will Ulmer, Pops and Nana, and a few larger-than-life hairy visitors made appearances throughout the day. But while Sasquatch Village drew large crowds, it wasn't the only attraction. In fact, one of the most packed venues in town wasn't outdoors at all. It was inside the Cutter Theater. This year's main speaker was Shane Corson of the Olympic Project. He did 2 presentations over at the Cutter Theater.
That where the huckleberry on the outside is the walls. And until you go through those walls or open that door and get into the nest area.
His research is well known, and the house was packed.
Yeah, so it was nice though that we have a Bigfoot Festival here.
Yeah, it's a really great event, and I'm really glad that somebody took the initiative to get it going.
By the end of the weekend, one thing became clear. The Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival isn't just about Bigfoot, it's about community. It's about bringing together families, artists, researchers, local businesses, and visitors from all over the country. Okay.
We are so blessed to be able to be here, and all the people were great. All of our customers were great. It was just an amazing experience again this year.
One researcher told me this. The Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival is one of the best because the people who attend are kind and genuinely interested in the subject of Bigfoot. Whether people came for the speakers, the food, the music, the car show, the crafts, or simply the chance to experience something different, everyone seemed to leave with a story.
There's that big footprint like right there behind that tree, and it's literally like it was behind the tree looking at us around the tree. The foot is pointing directly where our camper was, directly.
And maybe That's why this event continues to grow year after year. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to spend the weekend in a small mountain town where Bigfoot is celebrated, researched, and occasionally spotted walking through the forest, you might want to mark your calendar for next year. We'll see you at the 2027 Metaline Falls Bigfoot Festival. And if you're wondering where to camp near Metaline Falls, watch this video right here.